Welcome to our second Climate Crash Course video presented to you by Climate Change Youth. Today we will be covering plastic pollution, where you will learn about everything from where plastic comes from to where plastic ends up. We will go into depth on how you can help stop plastics from destroying our precious ecosystem. Let's start off by going back in time and exploring why humans invented plastic. Humans needed cheap and temporary ways to package objects. The effect of this was that plastic was invented. After plastic was invented and used, it was, you guessed it, thrown out. Plastics end up in lakes, rivers, oceans, and destroyed lots of natural habitats. These plastics took thousands of years to disintegrate and become part of Earth again. First off, we want to note that the 13 million metric tons of marine plastics end up in our ocean every year. The most visible impacts of these plastics that call ocean home is ingestion, suffocation, and entanglement of hundreds of marine species. Many marine wildlife, such as seabirds, fishes, whales, turtles, and etc., mistake plastic waste for prey. Most die of starvation with their stomachs full with plastic debris. Continuing on about plastic debris, we're going to move to microplastics. As of 2020, there are over 5.25 trillion micro and macroplastics in our oceans, which means about 46,000 pieces every square mile. Microplastics are small pieces of plastics that are less than 5 millimeters in length. There are still trace amounts of microplastics in our food and water, so we are essentially eating and drinking plastic. It's not good at all. What can you do to reduce plastic pollution? 1. Reduce your use of single-use plastics. Examples of single-use plastics include straws, plastic bags, cups, utensils, and takeout containers. Instead, try to go with more reusable options such as metal straws, reusable bags, ceramic cups, and silverware. You can also bring your own containers to get takeout, like bringing a pot to get soup instead of them putting in a plastic container. 2. Recycle properly. This statement might come as a surprise, but only 9% of recyclable plastics are actually recycled. Even if you throw something in your recycle bin, it might not be recycled. If you aren't sure if it can be recycled, you can research it, if you don't have time to recycle it. The reason for that is because if a non-recyclable item ends up in the recycling center, the whole batch of recyclables will be thrown out of the landfill. 3. Participate or organize a beach or river cleanup. This can help remove plastics from the ocean and prevent them from getting there in the first place. This won't be enough in the long run, but it's better than nothing. 4. Support bans on single-use plastics, such as plastic bags or non-recyclable takeout containers. 5. Avoid products that control microbeads. Small plastic beads frequently used in polyethylene. Some examples of such products include face scrubs, toothpaste, and body wash. Reducing microbeads can reduce the amount of microplastics found in our oceans. 6. Spread the word. Share this video with your friends and family and help them to consider and to take action. 7. Support organizations addressing plastic pollution. Need help finding an organization? Go to www.plasticpollutioncoalition.org to learn more. I hope this quick video can help you better understand plastic pollution and what humans can do to help stop it. I also hope this encourages you to take action against these plastic crises. Follow us on Twitter and Instagram on Climate C Youth, or visit our website, climatechangeyouth.wordpress.com. Subscribe and click the bell icon to get notified every time we post a new video. Bye!